Welcome to the SEO Hobby Expert Framework. This video provides a strategic, step-by-step guide to mastering search engine optimization, covering everything from essential keyword research to technical foundations. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional looking to improve your search visibility, this framework offers the tools you need to dominate search results. Understanding which terms drive the most relevance is the foundation of a strong SEO strategy. The data displayed ranks key terms by score, highlighting where to focus your content creation and research efforts. Keywords like search engines and search results top the list, showing you exactly where the greatest opportunities for organic traffic exist. Keyword research is the engine of SEO success. To succeed, you must understand what your target audience is searching for. Our framework balances broad-head terms to build brand awareness with specific, long-tail phrases to capture high-intent users. Use tools like Google Search Console and analytics to validate your strategy with real data. Technical SEO forms the foundation beneath the surface. While content grabs headlines, technical health ensures search engines can actually crawl and index your site. Key areas include site speed, a logical site structure, mobile optimization, and well-crafted meta tags. A solid technical setup is essential for your content strategy to perform at its best. User experience and organic traffic exist in a virtuous cycle. Behavioral signals like time on page and bounce rates inform search engines about your content's quality. By improving site usability, such as faster load times and intuitive navigation, you create a positive loop. Better user experience leads to higher rankings, which in turn brings more organic traffic. Google Analytics and Search Console are your data command centers. Analytics tracks how users engage with your site, while Search Console provides direct insights into how Google views your infrastructure. Together, these free tools allow you to identify underperforming content and technical errors, providing the data needed to refine your strategy and elevate your SEO skills. Content marketing and strategy sit at the intersection of creativity and data. Consistency is the key. Publishing one high-quality, researched piece per week is better than daily thin content. Follow a simple cycle. Research keyword clusters, create valuable content, optimize with best practices, and measure your results to iterate and improve over time. Digital marketing and brand awareness are crucial for SEO. While SEO focuses on organic visibility, the broader digital ecosystem includes social media and advertising, which amplify your reach. Though social signals aren't direct ranking factors, building brand awareness helps increase branded searches, providing a long-term trust signal that indirectly strengthens your search performance. Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the SEO landscape. While AI tools can accelerate content production, search engines are increasingly adept at filtering out low-quality filler. To succeed today, you must focus on depth, authority, and genuine user experience. AI-powered search features like SGE mean that high-quality, authoritative content is more important than ever. Here is your action plan. Master keyword research, fix technical issues, create relevant content, optimize the user experience, and measure everything. Whether you are building your first site or refining your professional skills, this framework provides the strategic clarity you need to succeed. Start with the highest impact actions and let the data guide your path forward.